Hello everyone, and welcome to yet another tutorial of the MIT App Inventor, and this is presented to you by KAWA Uganda team. In today's tutorial we are going to be understanding the different components that make up the social palette. As you can see here clearly, we have the different components that constitute the social palette. We have the contact picker, we have the email picker, the phone call, the phone number picker, sharing, we have texting. So if we are starting with our very first one here, we have the contact picker. The contact picker here lets your application to be in position show your users contact list and also to choose a contact. For example, if you have a number, someone's number on your phone, this component of the contact picker lets your application to be in position to pick the user's contact. We have the next component, and that is the email picker. This one is more of the same as the one we looked from up. That was a contact picker. The only difference we have between this and the one we had was that this email picker, for it only picks out an email address. That is the only difference that exists between the contact picker and the email picker. Now we have the third one in our list, and that is the phone call. For the phone call, this component allows you to be in position to make a call, and as well it gives you the option to be in position to end a given call. We have another one of our component, and that is the phone number picker. For the phone number picker, this one lets you or any other user to be in position to pick a phone number from the contacts. We have another component of the social palette, and that is the sharing. For the sharing, this one allows your app to be in position to send the different messages and information like the text, or sometimes even the pictures to other apps on the other user's phone. And these are all the features that we always see in our different mobile phones. We have our very last component of the social palette, and that is the texting. For the texting, this one just lets your app or lets your application to be in position to send us text messages, or the ones that we abbreviate as SMSs, using the phone's messaging services. So when you are looking at all the different palettes, all these different palettes perform the different roles, and there are the components that can be integrated into your phone to be in position to add the functionality. So that is that about the different components. That's that about the social palette. Thank you for being part of this tutorial. We hope to have you in our upcoming presentations. Thank you.